Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's time. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you. Wow, first card, the Star. Wow. The Star, Page of Cups and Eight of Wands. Communication. Nine of Cups, Two of Wands and Knight of Wands. Devil, Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you are waiting for someone or for something. Maybe you invested some amount in some business and waiting for the result. Maybe you are waiting for your person to come back because you invested a lot emotionally in this connection. Okay, so let's see our reading. Recent past, the Star, Page of Cups and Eight of Wands. Yeah, someone is coming back to you if you are in separation. If you are in no contact situation, yeah, communication was already opened between you and your person. If not, it is going to be, because Page of Cups with Eight of Wands, lots of communication, back and forth communication. Yeah, someone is returning with an apology. Maybe someone is coming to you with an apology for what they did to you. Okay, they're realizing what they did to you. And the Star, Aquarius. I think your wishes are going to be true, Taurus, because the Star with Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be true. And Two of Wands and Knight of Wands. Yeah, now present what's going, Nine of Cups, Two of Wands and Knight of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. Two of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, but there is a lot of passion involved and this person is very passionate about you and they are coming back. And your wishes are going to be granted. And then future energies, Ten of Pentacles, Judgment and Devil. There is some obsession in this connection which causes resistance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Yeah, you are going to be make some decision. You are the decision maker in this connection. Some major decision. And Ten of Pentacles, I think some stability. You are getting financial stability, financial abundance. Maybe for some you are financially very abundant. If you are waiting for relationship to get stability, and it is also coming because they are coming back, but you are thinking about something because the Devil card is here. Maybe there is some obsession. Maybe for some you person addicted to some bad habit. Maybe you both are obsessed with each other. It could be any case. Okay. Maybe your person is non-committal because Knight of Wands. Because knights always come and go. There is no commitment. So that's why you are thinking. But your money is very good. Yeah. So the person involved in this connection could be lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, especially Aquarius or Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, your person juggling. So let's see your person current feelings, Taurus. Again, Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. They are very passionate about you. But what about commitment? You both are on the same page, thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, separation for some. You both are in Five of Pentacles under the deck. They are missing you so much. They are suffering in silence. They are thinking about you a lot. And the Star, they're still hoping for second chance. If you are in separation, they're still hoping for something in this connection. Okay, and they are very attracted to you. A lot of passion is involved in this connection. They are very passionate about you, and this could be long distance, and they are also thinking about you a lot. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Taurus. Yeah, waiting game. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. And Three of Cups with Justice. Yeah, they want second chance. See, reconciliation. Under the deck, Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And yeah, if you are in separation, your person really want reconciliation with you and they want second chance. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra also. Three of Wands. Yeah, they're waiting for the right time. Long distance relationship again. Yeah, they want reconciliation and they want second chance with you, Taurus. Now they're realizing your worth. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Lord of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I want one more card. Clarification. Six of Swords. Again, they want to fix the things between both of you, some communication. This is not moving on. Maybe they are taking their time. Because Four of Cups is here. They are missing you so much. They are feeling sad for the missed opportunity. And death, maybe your person undergoing some transformation. Maybe they think that you are not going to give another chance. That's why the death with Six of Swords. Maybe they're thinking that you are moving on, that you moved on already. Seven of Cups, they're fantasizing about you a lot. I want one more card. I'm not getting clarity. Yeah, communication, clarity is coming. Ace of Swords. Let's see from your side. Temperance again. Patience. Three of Wands. Again, this could be long distance and waiting game is going between both of you. You both are waiting for each other. Maybe one person thinking they will call you and they will call you, and other person thinking they will call. That type of energy what I'm getting here. Yes, but some communication is going to be happen because Ace of Swords is here. They want second chance. They want reconciliation with you. Yeah. The Lovers. There is love between both of you. Yeah. I think in divine timing, everything will be going in divine time. Will be going in divine timing because Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely in divine timing. Yeah, there will be reconciliation, but in divine timing because they're thinking, they're still hoping new beginnings with you. Yeah, they want second chance. They're coming back to you. Everything will be in divine timing. Again, waiting game is going between both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Taurus. But you are going to make some major decisions. Judgment is here. Taurus. Yeah, you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Maybe it could be your person. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, you want this happiness, this celebration with your person. And you are very powerful and stand by your power. Ace of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back. There is love coming towards you. For some, it could be a new love also. Very few. But past person approaching you. So let's see from your person side their overall energy for the week, Taurus. Nine of Wands, Princess of Wands, Two of Swords, Three of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're missing you so much. And maybe in past they are at some crossroads, but now they will going to choose you because Knight of Pentacles, they are coming back, but it's very slow moving energy. That's why the waiting game is going. And Princess of Wands and Nine of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot and communication. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. That's why I think communication and clarity is coming. They really want second chances with you because the Justice with Three of Cups in action cards. And Three of Wands means waiting. Yeah, they will make a move towards you, but in divine timing, what I'm getting here. Because I want to be honest with you. Because two times Three of Wands came. That's why. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. It's time to take action. So if you are doing any work and delaying that work, Maybe if you want to take action in this relationship but not taking, and this is the message from universe, it's time to take action. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.